this video, I'll show you how to withdraw from Bullx Neo to Phantom Wallet. First, head over to the Wallet Manager and make sure you have some Solana in your Vex wallet. Click on the Withdraw button and then click on Add Withdraw Wallet. Here you can enter a name for your wallet. For example, mine will be Phantom. After that, you'll paste the receiving address from your Phantom wallet. To get this address, open your Phantom Wallet extension in Google Chrome, log in, and click on Receive. Then, select Solana and copy the address. Go back to the Vex wallet, paste the address, and click Add Wallet. Now your Phantom wallet is successfully added. From here, you can select your Vex wallet, which contains Solana, and enter the amount you want to withdraw. Next, select your Phantom wallet address that you just added and click on the Withdraw button. And that was it. Subscribe, it's free.